So this side right here, I'm gonna quickly show you how to take out the knee airbag. Just peel this off. Here's what come out. Detach that 3 connector right there, and peel this off as well. Right there, that tabs right there. Okay, so there's holes right here. There's a bunch of holes that goes into tabs right there on the bracket of the airbag. So this is good now. There you go. It's loose. There's no screws or there's no push pin retainers that connect to this kick panel. You just pull it out. All these tabs right there. Alright, so there's 10 mil right there and 10 mil over here. Take those out. Quickly show you how to disconnect this connector to the airbag on this Honda Civic. Same thing as a cord, I guess. So yeah, this tabs right here, this white one, you just have to press it up, and then it's gonna disconnect. There you go. That's how you disconnect this airbag from that connector right there. That's it.